HubSpot is a powerful and free CRM platform that is suitable for many types of small businesses. Now, HubSpot also offers a free WordPress plugin that allows you to seamlessly connect and manage all your CRM-related activities directly inside your WordPress backend. Hey guys, Stewart here, welcome along to this channel and thanks for joining me in another small business tutorial. Now today I'm going to walk you through the process of connecting your WordPress website with the HubSpot CRM for a seamless integration using the free WordPress plugin. Okay, so before we go ahead and launch into this HubSpot and WordPress tutorial, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that happy note out the way, let's go ahead and connect your WordPress website with the HubSpot CRM. Okay, so here we are inside our WordPress dashboard. Now, the reason why we want to connect HubSpot with WordPress is so that you can manage all your CRM-related activities directly inside your WordPress dashboard. Essentially, by installing the HubSpot plugin, you can bring your dashboard, your HubSpot dashboard, directly inside your WordPress account. And the user interface is exactly the same. And the great thing about using HubSpot's plugin with WordPress is you don't need to worry about any code in terms of initially setting up the connection with HubSpot and WordPress. So what we're going to do is navigate over to the left-hand side and click on Add New next to Plugins. Then go ahead and navigate up to Search Plugins and type in HubSpot. And this is the HubSpot plugin that we want to install, HubSpot CRM, Email Marketing, Live Chat, Forms, and Analytics. As you can see, this plugin is by HubSpot and has over 300,000 active installations with high ratings. Now to install the plugin, simply navigate up to Install Now. And before you do this, it's important to mention that before you install any plugin onto your WordPress website, it's best to back up your WordPress website just in case any plugins or themes clash together and break your website. If you're not too sure how to back up your WordPress website, what I'll do is add a beginner's tutorial up above and down below in the description that will guide you through the simple process of backing up your WordPress website. Again, this is not essential, this is just best practice. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on Install Now and then click on Activate. And once you've installed and activated the HubSpot plugin, all you need to do is create a free account with HubSpot or sign into your existing account. You can use this plugin whether you have a free account or a paid account. Now, if you're completely new to HubSpot's CRM and you're not too sure how to even get started with HubSpot, then what I'll do is add a beginner's tutorial up above and down below in the description that will take you through a beginner's tutorial guiding you through all the different elements and features that HubSpot's free CRM has to offer. So go ahead and check that out if you're completely new to HubSpot. Okay, so I already have a free HubSpot account, so I'm going to navigate over to the right hand side and click on Sign In here. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account. Then you'll be sent a code to your email that you use to sign up with HubSpot. Go ahead and find that code and then come down and click on Login. If this is your account, go ahead and continue with this user, or you can go ahead and create an account with a new user. I'm going to go ahead and continue with this user and continue with this account. Then come down and click on Connect Website, and that's going to connect your HubSpot account to your WordPress site. And that's going to take you back to your dashboard. And congratulations, it's as simple as that to connect HubSpot with your WordPress site. You don't need to play around with any code. Now you might be asked to navigate through a demo, so go ahead and do that if you like. And now that HubSpot and your WordPress website are connected, you can now engage in CRM-related activities. So for example, if we navigate up to Live Chat, we can go ahead and create a live chat and add that directly into our website pages. This is for us to engage with our website visitors and ultimately capture new contacts and leads. If we navigate over to Manage Forms, this is where you can simply create forms and then you can embed those forms directly onto your website. and you can also manage contacts over here. However, what we're going to do is navigate over to the left hand side, and this is where you can navigate through all the different activities that you can engage in within your CRM within HubSpot. So for example, if we navigate over to contacts, this is where you can simply manage all your contacts. So for example, if we navigate over to this contact here and click on the contact, this is going to generate all the activity for that specific contact. And again, I cover all this information in more detail in our HubSpot tutorial for beginners that I've linked down below in the description. So as you can see, you can manage all your contacts within your WordPress website. Again, below contacts, we have forms. This is where you can create forms for your website. For example, we can navigate over to this form and I can go ahead and I can copy the shortcode and I can embed that form onto our website. So these are forms I've created in the past. We can also navigate up to create form and you can create a form directly inside WordPress through this HubSpot interface. Below forms, if we navigate back over to the left hand side, we have live chat. We've briefly spoken about live chat. This is where you can create a chat flow and you can add this to your website. Again, if you're using HubSpot, then you want to use the chat flow feature rather than a different live chat software. This is because your chat flows are already integrated with your WordPress website and already integrated with HubSpot, meaning all this data is going to be recorded inside HubSpot. So go ahead, take your time to create your chat flow and then you can embed that on your website. So again, take the time to create your chat flow so that your website visitors can chat with you directly on your website pages if they have any questions. Then navigate down further and click on email. This is where you can engage in email marketing activities. You can simply navigate up to create email and create an email inside HubSpot, or you can connect a platform like MailChimp if you use another platform for your email marketing activities. Then we can also navigate over to settings, which gives us basic plugin settings. And then below settings, we have lists and reporting. Now these two options take us over to the web version of HubSpot to manage our lists and reporting. Now lists are basically your email list, your subscribers that you've added to a specific list that you can then engage in email marketing activities with. You could have a list for specific online form submissions, it could be a booking form, or even a list for contacts that want to join your newsletter. So you can create multiple lists to manage your contacts. And below lists we have reporting. This allows you to basically manage all your reporting in terms of the different activities that you're engaging in with your CRM. For example, your sales pipeline, your issues, tasks, and other important analytics. However, that is everything I wanted to cover in this beginner's tutorial, helping you connect your WordPress website with HubSpot so that you can manage all your CRM related activities directly inside WordPress. Again, what I'll do is add all the HubSpot resources that we've created in the description below this video to help you dive deeper into all the different features that HubSpot has to offer. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this brief WordPress and HubSpot tutorial for beginners. Now, if you have any questions about this process of connecting these two platforms together, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.